documentation. This is for documentation in case myself and Andrew Bennett fucking die. We're on a snowy death highway being pulled by a wrecker. These trucks are absolutely amazing. These wreckers are. Fucking, we're out here on I-80 near Lyman, Wyoming. Got caught in a fucking blizzard last night. No power. Starter's gone on the truck. And now we got some pretty cool guys. They're fucking pulling us up a hill.
We should hook you up off the back of this. Should have got to let us do that.
There's a state trooper behind us.
Oh, they're cool. They got no one watching them out here.
He said he didn't want your dumb ass in his car, so how cool is he?
You truckers stink.
Yeah. So, we just wanted to make this video to, I don't know, if we fucking die, then we die.